My wife will believe her like the Hebrew woman. Yes, I believe. Yes. Lord Jesus, you are dear for me. Yes. I believe. Yes.
Just calm down, okay?
I see you better now.
Calm down. Just go pray for you. What do you do it, okay? We are trying our best.
All right, man.
Try.
All right, man.
Pray.
Jesus. God. What is all this? Let me call my pastor. Hello, Pastor. My wife has not given birth up till now. And you know this is 2 days. Sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh, Jesus, you will never fail me. You have never failed. I have never had that you fail. No, it's not in my own time. My wife will give birth like a Hebrew woman. Yes. But this is touching me. Jesus. You will not fail me, Jesus. You will not fail me, Jesus. I know you have never failed me. You don't fail, Jesus. You don't fail. Mama, my wife has not given birth. Oh.
What?
She's still in labor.
You mean your wife has not given birth up till now?
And she's getting weaker.
This is 2 days. No. This is not ordinary. This is not normal. What's going on? What's my son? I think we'll go and look for this thing in traditional.
Mama, leave all this traditional operating. I've called my pastor and pastor assured me that.
Shut up, Pastor! Pastor, what? You have been calling. This is 2 days. You want to kill somebody's daughter? Eh?
Can you let me? Please go home and wait for me. Go to my house and wait for me, please. I'm not in the mood to be discussing all this traditional operating this time.
Please, my son, I'm begging you. Don't put me in trouble. You're going to, if anything happens to your wife, it's on my head. You want to put me in trouble? You want to kill your wife? If I had stayed up to 2 days before I gave birth to you, do you think you'll be alive today? Do you think you are going to be, you'll be alive today? I'm saying you're talking about Pastor. Eh? Please, follow me.
So balasi bonu mekede nigo nu so bali kuda bala kuda kono na ajiba juju na ajo na ewe ni akwezi no You are very depressed. Your wife is in labor for days now.
Yes, sir.
Oh. And you just spent money.
Yes, sir.
I see pains. She's in pains. See? So balasi man no ikuru kam na bende mo no won ko da Mich ni he me honya won anu go no anyi bo fu egu no ni bo fu gbara mo na mo anyi bo fu na. What have you done? You abandoned the ways of your forefathers, the ways of Ndebo. They embrace modern civilization. You gave your wife, who is pregnant, a bushmeat called grass cutter.
Hey! Hey! Grass cutter. Hey! Hey! My son,
Ma.
Did you give your wife the grass cutter meat to eat?
Grass cutter. It's the sweet. Yes, Mama.
Hey, Ebuomo. Oh, Jim. So you don't know that our custom forbids giving pregnant woman a grass cutter to eat? Imano.
Mama.
Ay, ewo.
Oh, Lily, tire time I know you know. Hallelujah.
And your wife has been in the hospital for the past 2 days in pains, shouting, in Olaiba, Neti Jesus, Jesus. Neti Jesus. You have seen it now. There's a more.
No, Mama.
Biko, what's the solution? Tell us what can